Hello, and welcome to another update video about XRP. And XRP continues to be in the overall sideways range, in this triangle. It tried to break down, but as I said in the last video, we cannot rule out that we get a higher E wave until we really have a sustained break below the D wave low, which was at 47.3 cents. And then a break below the 45.8 cent level, the break below the B wave low, would have confirmed the breakdown. So we had to keep the option open for a reset of wave E, and that is also what we are looking at right now. It has landed in the target area, for this E wave, so nothing really changed from previous updates. But now it's going to be very interesting because what we have to avoid now to keep the triangle scenario here intact is a break above 55.8 cents. Now we have come closer, but we haven't come closer in a way that would threaten the triangle scenario, which would allow for another breakdown afterwards and another low to below 43 cents. So this is now the area where we actually wanted the E wave to be. Remember, a triangle is counted as an A wave, B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave. We've been waiting for this moment for weeks. Okay, so this triangle we have been tracking this triangle for a while, and ideally from here, this is the ideal spot where we would ideally see a breakdown. Okay, ideally. Okay, so obviously there is currently no signal that the E wave top is in place, and to get really a clear signal, we need to see a break below this swing low at 47.8 cents first. The E wave seems to be unfolding in either a WXY or an ABC structure. So if this is a WXY, then we had 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and 3 waves up. So it could still extend a little higher if we get something like this. I'm just showing you some variants here. So this could be an A wave, B wave, C wave. Could even push a little higher. Again, the white box is just the ideal target range. It's not the maximum an E wave can do. The maximum the E wave should do is to go to the C wave high at 54.8 cents. Anything above that will make the triangle increasingly less likely, and the triangle will be invalidated with a break above that A wave top. So if we see a break above this A wave high, okay, that would be invalidation, real invalidation of the triangle. So at the moment, I'm still watching this as a potential 3-wave move. I still keep the door open for lower. This could unfold now in various ways, and I'm waiting for a signal that a top is in place. That's how we could describe it best. And even if it's not a WXY, but just an ABC, it might also push higher once more. But this is the area where we wanted it. So ideally it's coming down from here, would give us a signal by breaking below 47.8 cents. But if it pushes above first 54.7 cents and then 55.8, that would keep the door open to the yellow wave count, and would make me favor the yellow wave count, which is the alternative we've been talking about for a while. A triangle is a 5-wave move, A, B, C, D, E, and it's basically complete. However, it could also be a WXY structure, which unfolded as follows: W, X, and then in the Y wave, an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. And that could take us to 63 cents. So these are the two options. I think the levels are very clear. Can I rule out that we break out to the upside? No. What's my preference? It's a break to the downside. Does it need to break to the downside? Of course not. Can I guarantee it? Of course not. But that's why we do the TA, to have some levels to watch, which I gave you, like the pivots. And if those pivots are broken, then the yellow wave count is what I would follow, with the first target at 63.6 cents. Yeah, and if we go into the detailed wave count here, it currently looks a bit like consolidation. So I cannot rule out another push higher. For example, in an A, B, C structure, where this is just a small 4th wave and a 5th wave. But overall, for many weeks, nothing has happened, right? In the last few weeks, we've just been ranging sideways with lower volatility, higher lows, lower highs. It very much has a triangle appearance. can actually even adjust this trend line now, which gives it more of a triangle appearance. We could even add, extend the trend line. Maybe it will touch the trend line. We'll see. We'll see. It's still very much constrained by the overall pattern, and it hasn't given us yet a decision into which direction it wants to break out. That's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.